Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. We got another shave for you today. What y'all think? Tom Selleck mustache? No? Cliff Clavin from Cheers mustache? Or Bob's the Burger? Bob's Burgers. That's what it is. So we're going to use Lust from Blue Devil Shave Co. Think y'all saw CDB use that or unbox that today. He thinks he's funny. You know what, guys? I'm going to stop and I'll be right back. And we're back. Sorry about that, guys. I think my camera lens was a little dirty. When I cleaned it up, it looks less fuzzy, so we're doing good. So, we're going to tub load it. We did bloom it. We've got the Grizzly Bay with an Omega bore knot in there, because that's what I like. Just gave it a little shake. And we're going to load it like we hate it. See how it goes? Get a heavy load with this bore brush. It's the same bore knot that's in Maddie's that I like, so... This one's not broken in as well. I think I've only used this brush twice. Maddie's has been used like, I don't have enough fingers to count that high. So we got some irritation going on, guys. I tried one of my edges last night in a room with Gonzo and Magic Mike. Needless to say, it was a bad edge. I'll show you how bad it was. It didn't look bad when I tested it on my arm. Y'all see right here? Can y'all see that? The red bumps and stuff. That's where I tested the edge on my arm, and I've got razor burn and breakout and stuff like that and ingrowns. And then I went against the grain with it, and that son of a bitch hurt. Telling you what, it hurt. So we're going to load it up. Finish loading. I think we got a good amount on there. What do y'all think? Pull out the excess. I got to see how this is. Can't really remember. I just remember it being like really creamy, but really light. Like it was dense but light. And I know it's like, how can something be dense and light? I don't know, dude. It was mind-blowing. So we're going to paint this on. And we're going to try to build a lather. It is a nice feeling though on the face. Like, I know that's not hydrated, but that's super creamy and it doesn't feel underhydrated. Like, you know when you put on some soaps and just, it's real sticky and cakey. Like right now, this doesn't even feel cakey. So we're going to paint some more in. I picked this up because Chris Maiden was a big fan. I think he used it up in like 2 to 4 weeks, the entire tub. He used it every day. He dug it. That's why I picked it up. Said he was a big fan. I think he got the strawberry patch, which is like a strawberry creamsicle or something, because I think that's really just strawberry and vanilla. All right, we're going to keep going. Oh. So we are going to use my Spider-Man Edition 6Shady. And I like how Lee calls me a friend. I appreciate that, Lee. I know we don't talk a ton, but you're a lovely individual. Oh man, we are just getting the suds everywhere on the BBS live shirt. And you know what? I just got a notification. Canadian Mafia has gone live and I'm going to be late. So I'm sorry, Justin, but we got to get the shave in, dog. Sorry, Magic Mike. Got to get the shave in. And I'm using the bore and face lathering because I got some ingrowns down here. And, you know, Matt Pisarcik says, oh, well, they hook naturally and that kind of helps pull out the ingrown hairs. Well, we'll see if it does. That's what he claims anyways. And if you don't know who Matt Pisarcik is, he is the owner of Razor Emporium. They do Razor Emporium videos. He's a person that I was watching early on when I was trying to figure out what DE to start with, what I was looking for a straight razor. I've moved on. I watch other people now. I still tune into his channel when I see something new, but I haven't seen anything new for a while. So we're going to do it again. And I did shave this morning because I woke up at 4:30 and couldn't go back to sleep. Extremely tired. Had a longer day today than usual. Was in the car by about like 7:30 or something like that to drive home. So guys, the density on this is great. Like it's a nice, dense, but still light. I don't know, man. It's good stuff. Lather Hog sent me Lothar. I may ask him if he wants to try this. I'd send this to DK too, but DK does not like rose scents. And this is rose and vanilla. It's like a rosy creamsicle. It's odd. All right, brand new Vosh Cod. We got it on the 6th. I mean, it has plenty of slickness. It held a decent amount of water. It's weird shaving the chin. Oh yeah, my chin did not like against the grain with my edge. I keep talking about my edge essay. And I keep forgetting to send Michael Schultz. And Mike, if you're watching this, I know you watch sometimes, I've got 2 razors sitting on my dresser I want to send you. It's a Carl Monkhouse full concave. Original scale's really cool. And a Boker half hollow. Just, money's been tight, and I know like what's shipping, but money's just been tight lately. So guys, now that we're in here, and I'm talking about money's tight, right? Shouldn't, you know, now I'm gonna do this. So guys, thank you for getting me over 600 subscribers. I greatly appreciate it. I honestly never thought I would have been here in this time. Never would have thought I was anywhere near this many subscribers after a couple of years. So I'm very thankful. So as for a giveaway on my channel, I'm going to give away one more Maddie soap. Okay, guys? One more Maddie soap. And I'm sure everybody's like, ah, he keeps giving away Maddie soaps in the last 2 or 3 giveaways. So I will do a giveaway. I will ship anywhere in the world, as long as you have a real address that like the post office recognizes. Talk like Ken Surfs here. You can't say, you know, down the 3rd alley, 4th door on the left. Like, I can't ship to that. So, guys, this is still taking more water. So, anyways, and it'll be a lime scent. I still have a lime scent in an old puck. So we're going to do a puck form. All right, guys? So it will be the puck and the tissue paper. And all you've got to do is go to the Red Island Shavers channel and you subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm going to put it right here. Go, hashtag go 600. We're trying to get Justin up to 600. He's been sitting on the edge for a little while, and I want to get my boy there. I do like some Justin. He's a very nice guy. One of the best guys in the community, if you ask me. He's our own Chris Pratt, the wet shaving Chris Pratt. If you see old videos of him back in the day, he looks like Chris Pratt, man. But go give Justin a subscribe. He's got a pretty wicked giveaway. I don't know exactly what it is, but he's gotten something together with an artisan when he gets to 600. So if you go and subscribe, get him to 600, there's another giveaway going on for you shortly, from what I understand. Do remember, it's down in the description, the link to his video. And yeah, I've got irritation right here. I'm trying to go against the grain with my edge. It's rinsing well, like there's no lather left behind, so you know it's hydrated. Like, that's slick. Super slick, so we got good residual slickness. But remember, go comment, hashtag go 600 on Justin the Red Island Shavers. What do you call it? YouTube channel. The video I link below. And I will do the drawing Friday of next week. So the 9th. I will reveal the winner on the 9th. Make sure I do a shave video then. Give you a little over a week. Get Justin there. And we're just doing a little bit of cleanup because, dude, the residual slickness on this is nuts. I'm gonna have to bust out my slickometer, figure out how slick this is. All right, guys, we're gonna rinse up and we will be right back. All right, we're back. And honestly, guys, that was a nice shave. I enjoyed it. Where's the Lancaster? Get it nice and dry. I mean, guys, that was a very enjoyable shave. It was enjoyable to face lather. See, look at this stuff, guys. Ingrown, 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 ingrown. Man, I should not have taken my edge against the grain. Like, I knew better, but I'm one of those people. It's like, hey, you want a better shave? Hone better. Oh, yeah. And this stuff doesn't really burn. The Hega upsala. Very enjoyable scent. Hega upsala, nice and blue. And if they have this scent on the razor company, I'll link it below. It's Blue Devil Shave Co. Lust. They have updated their labels, so they will look different. We use the Grizzly Bay with the Omega Boar knot. Big fan. Big fan of the Omega Boar. All right. Oh, Spider-Man edition, 6Shady. So, all right, guys. It's been a great shave. Hope to see y'all at Canadian Mafia show. Sorry, B-Lou, Mike, everybody. I was getting a shave in, so I'm running a little late.